Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on the Wix SEO optimization. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about optimizing your Wix website for maximum search engine optimization and higher rankings in Google. So whether you've just launched a brand new Wix site or are looking to improve an existing site, proper on-page and off-page SEO is absolutely crucial for getting your website found online and driving more organic traffic. But first, let's quickly go over why search engine optimization is so important for any website. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Essentially, it's the practice of optimizing your website to rank better in search engines. This includes Google and Bing, so when people search for terms related to your business, your website would rank better and be easily accessible to viewers and visitors. The higher website pages rank for relevant keyword searches, the more targeted free traffic you will be getting from search engines. And this traffic converts to customers way easier since they're already searching for your products or services. So if, for example, you own an accounting firm or something similar, you would want your website to show up on the first page when local customers search for terms such as accountant or tax preparation or small business bookkeeping and so on. With proper SEO implementation, you can get your website ranking in one of the top 5 spots for those searches. So now when people search for those terms, your business has top visibility. But without the optimizing for SEO, you could easily get buried on page 10 of Google or not even show up at all. And with that, you would miss out on a ton of potential new business from prospective customers searching those terms. So you can see why doing the right on-page SEO optimizations along with effective off-page strategies like link building is so crucial for any local business website. SEO greatly impacts your visibility and discoverability online, and it determines whether your ideal customers can actually find your website, content, blogs or not. Over 50% of the website traffic comes from organic search, so you're leaving a ton of potential visits and revenue on the table if you're not actively optimizing for higher SEO rankings. Wix makes SEO easy for beginners by providing an amazing tool called the SEO Wizard. This wizard gives you a 100% customized step-by-step checklist of exactly what you need to do to properly optimize and maximize your site's visibility in search engines such as Google. The SEO Wizard essentially audits your site, looks at your niche and content, and then automatically generates a personalized action plan for improving your SEO based on proven best practices. So I absolutely recommend running your site through the SEO Wizard if you haven't already. It's one of the best resources that Wix provides for simplifying and learning SEO. To find the SEO Wizard, start from your main Wix dashboard, not your site editor. And in the left sidebar, click on the Marketing and SEO section so you can expand it. Then select SEO from the drop-down menu. This will open up the SEO Wizard dashboard. And from here, go ahead and click Start or Start Now button on the box titled Get Found on Google. And then this will launch the interactive SEO Wizard to start creating your custom optimization plan. The wizard will then ask you a few questions to customize the recommendations for your specific niche and offerings. Business or site name, this is where you enter your official website or business name. You've got business location, so you can select whether your business has a physical location or is solely online. And if you do have a local physical location, you can enter your city and state or region information. This allows the wizard to optimize your SEO plan for local search rankings. We also have the keywords, where the wizard will ask you to enter 3 keyword phrases that best describe your main products, services or offerings. And this is where the wizard will use these keywords to optimize your site for ranking on those searches. Choosing the right keywords for your business is absolutely crucial. So how do you select the best options? Coming up with the perfect keywords or phrases is one of the most important steps here, as these keywords will optimize your entire site for ranking well on those specific searches. So select keywords that are highly relevant to your exact products, services and location. Be specific enough to have good search volume but not super niche long tails with no searches, and distinct keywords that help you and your business stand out. So a good approach is to start broad and then get more specific and detailed, and you can brainstorm a list of potential keywords, then use Google's Keyword Planner tool to validate approximately local monthly search volume for each keyword that you're considering. Look for keywords with 500 to 1000 plus monthly searches in your own country and city to ensure that there is enough kind of search demand, but also consider relevance over just pure search volume data. Remember that the 3 keywords that you choose here will be used to optimize all of the page titles, content, metadata, etc. So take your time to select the absolute best options. Once you finish entering your business details and keywords, the Wix SEO Wizard will automatically create a tailored SEO optimization plan for your specific website. This kind of plan comes with a complete step-by-step checklist of action items that you need to knock out to properly optimize your site for higher rankings. Optimizing page title tags. Page titles are displayed as the bold, clickable headlines for your pages in search engine results. So optimizing your title tags is extremely important for SEO rankings. The wizard will help you structure perfect SEO-friendly title tags for your homepage and other key pages. Some of the best practices for page titles is to include your target primary keyword at the beginning of the title. Keep your official business name or location at the end for branding. Avoid excessive keyword stuffing, as 1 to 2 keywords tend to be best, and limit title tags to around 60 characters maximum. Google will cut off titles over that length. Optimizing meta descriptions is another important key step. The meta description is HTML code that provides a short 2 to 3 sentence summary of the page content. This shows up as the snippet under the title in Google search results. And while the meta descriptions don't directly impact the rankings, they help improve click-through rate by enticing searchers to visit your page. The wizard will help you craft compelling SEO-friendly meta descriptions that naturally incorporate your target keywords, describe your offerings, services, and location, and also create curiosity and interest in your business. You also need to work your primary keywords into the actual text content naturally on each page. This helps search engines better understand the page topic and the content. But don't go overboard though, only use keywords where it fits organically. The content still needs to be readable and useful for the visitors. Again, the wizard will prompt you to update on-page content to seamlessly blend in your keywords. With mobile usage continuing to rise, having a mobile-friendly website is absolutely essential for strong SEO rankings, and the good news is all Wix templates are already built to be 100% responsive on mobile devices out of the box. But double check that your site looks and functions flawlessly on both mobile and desktop, as some bugs can occur. And one final note on expectations when it comes to SEO, it takes a lot of time and consistency to actually start seeing results. You likely won't suddenly wake up tomorrow ranking #1 for all of your keywords overnight, but do patiently stick by with your SEO efforts week after week and month after month, as you will begin to see your site's visibility and organic traffic start to compound. So while SEO can feel overwhelming early on, try to not get discouraged. Consistency and persistence with your SEO plan pays off enormously over time. Properly optimizing your Wix website for higher SEO rankings involves both on-page activities like content creation as well as off-page work like link building. By taking it step by step and systematically working through your SEO checklist, you will start to see your website pages gaining visibility and climbing in the Google results. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions about implementing SEO best practices on your website, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. We'll be happily answering them in the comment section or even creating a separate video for your specific question. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create similar to this video.